Biggest challenge in education is it needs to be aligned with the jobs of future. You'll need a lot more experiential learning. You need blended learning. You need hands-on learning.
Children develop a fear for math because they are not able to relate to what the teacher is telling them. MathBuddy is a program which combines the power of hands-on activity-based learning with a virtual interactive software.
We work with the teachers, with the school, ultimately so that kids do not fear math. Then automatically the results will come.
If we can get them to do activities, they start loving what they are doing. Software also helps in this process because it's not only visualization of the concepts, but gamification. There is so much excitement, there is a sense of discovery.
The general feedback of teachers is very positive. Children enjoy it, especially when it's hands-on. They're very excited to go into the MathBuddy lab.
MathBuddy is a very good better for a kid, and we enjoyed that MathBuddy so much.
When we have taken the pre-assessment, the result was 35 to 40%. After the post-assessment, the average result is 80%. The phobia of the maths has been removed.
We want MathBuddy to reach millions of students. We want to take this product and make it available in other languages. And ultimately the aim is children should learn mathematics with understanding and they should have fun while learning it. Mentera, in addition to giving monetary support, whole thing has been more like a partnership. Together we are trying to see how we can make an impact in low-income schools.